Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have x square minus y square equals to 39, and we solve this problem for the values of x and y. So the very first step we are going to do is here we focus in the left hand side, and you know about the left hand side, it is the very well known square identity. So we know that x square minus y square is equals to x minus y times of x plus y, and it is equals to 39. And now in the next step you see here we have in the left hand side is two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So that now the time to convert or we find the some possibilities in which you get the right hand side is the product of two factors. Okay, so the possibilities in which the product of two numbers is 39 is that we have 39 times of 1 is 39, and 1 times of 39 is also 39, and 3 times of 13 is 39, and 13 times of 3 is also 39. So here we have these four possibilities. So now here we first check that in which of these possibilities satisfy the given condition. So here you focus in the left hand side, and we have x minus y into x plus y, and when we make the relation between x minus y and x plus 1, so the relation is that x minus y is always less than x plus y. Okay, so here we choose those factors in which the first term is less than the second term. So here you see that 39 is greater than 1, so that we choose this factor 1, and here you see that 1 we can't choose this one because the first is greater than second, but we need the first is less than second. Okay, so here you see that 1 is less than 39, so that we choose this factor. 3 is less than 13, so we choose this factor as well, and 13 is greater than 3, we reject this one. Okay, so that we have these two possibilities, so that we write these two possibilities here. So our first case is we compare the left hand side with 1 multiplied by 39. So when you compare the left hand side with these two factors, so you get here x minus y equals to 1 and x plus y equals to 39. So this is our case number 1. And now when we compare our left hand side with the case number 2, so this is our left hand side, and we compare x minus y and x plus y with 3 times of 13, so that when you compare it with 3 times of 13, it will be written as x minus y equals to 3 and x plus y equals to 13. So we have these two cases in which we get the possible value. So that now we solve these two cases and we get the values of x and y. So here first we focus on case number 1. So here our case 1 implies that, so our case 1 is this one, x minus y 1 and x plus y is 39. So here when you add these two equations, so here we call this is equation number 1, this is our equation number 2. So now first we add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when we add these two equations, so this is negative y are cancelled by each other, and we add x plus x, and it is equals to 2x, and 1 plus 39 equals to 40. So here we divide this 2 to the right hand side, and we get our x is equals to 40 over 2, and we have the value of x is equals to 20. Okay, so this is the first value of x, and after that we substitute this value of x in equation number 1 or equation number 2, and we easily get the value of y. So that here we just put the value of x equals to 20 in equation number 1. So our equation number 1 is x minus y equals to 1. So we have the value of so first we write x minus y is 1, so the value of x is 20. So we have 20 minus y equals to 1. So here we simplify this term, and here we just move this 1 to the left hand side and y to the right hand side, and we get 20 minus 1 equals to y. So 20 minus 1 becomes 19 equals to y. So that we have the value of y is equals to 19. Okay, so here are the values of x and y which we get from case number 1. So now we move towards our case number 2. So here we copy down the case number 2, in which we have x minus y is 3 and x plus y is 13. So we solve these two equations and we call this is our equation number 3 and this is our equation number 4. And now first we add this equation number 3 and equation number 4. Okay, so when you add these two equations, so this negative y and positive y are cancelled by each other and we get here x plus x is 2x equals to 3 plus 13 equals to 16. So now we divide this 2 to the right hand side and here you get our x equals to 16 over 2, and we know that 16 over 2 is equals to 8. So this is the value of x which we get from case number 2. And now here we subtract equation number 3 and equation number 4. So this is our equation number 3 and 4. So when we subtract, it means that we just change these signs. So here this negative and positive x are gone and we get here minus y becomes here minus 2y, and 3 minus 13 equals to minus 10. So here we move this minus 2 to the right hand side and you get here our y is equals to minus 10 over minus 2, and finally you get the value of y is equals to 5. Okay, so in second case we have the value of x is 8 and value of y is 5. So here we write both of these values which we get here from both of the given cases. So in first case we get the value of x is 20 and the value of y is 19, and the second case we get the value of x and y is 8 and 5. So now in the next step we check these two solutions. Is these two solutions satisfied our given question statement or not? So that our given question statement is x square minus y square equals to 39. So here we substitute the values of x and y and you get here 20 square minus 19 square equals to 39. So that here we know that the square of 20 is 400 and the square of 19 is 361 equals to 39. And when we subtract 400 minus 361, it is equals to 39 equals to 39. So this shows that the value of x and y is 20 and 19 is satisfied our given question statement. And now we check the second solution. X, y is 8 and 5, and we substitute these two values in this equation and we get here 8 square minus 5 square equals to 39. And here we know that 8 square is 64 and 5 square is 25 equals to 39, and 64 minus 25 equals to 39 equals to 39. So this shows that the value of x and y satisfy the given equation. So both of these values of x and y satisfy the given equation, and this is the final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.